We are going inside the lava tube. Yes. How many lavas went through here? Just imagine that. Yes, I am. This is cool.
It's pretty much like a cave.
Yeah, it's a cave.
Oh, now I
Where-
can easily see Sophia.
Where you can see the volcanic lava. I don't know where it used to go all the way, but this is the famous lava tube. Let's go. Very, very big. Very, very nice. Where?
The lava came out from the eruption.
And
And now we can walk through the way. It's so hard.
yeah, it's very dark.
Even the flashlight doesn't open.
Tell me the story about lava tube, Sabia.
I did it already.
You did? Okay. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Hey, I found my phone. The water.
Watch out,
What do you say watch out?
because your head might.
Think your power.
This is cool. My bubble buddies, you are inside the lava tube.
believe it. Imagine
really
lava just
amazing.
came right now.